Hi everyone, I'm Christopher Vanek, Pro Artist for Beauty Blender, and I'm so excited to share with you some tips and tricks that you can use with our latest product, All About Face. You can be a makeup pro like myself, or brand new to makeup, it really doesn't matter. All About Face was designed specifically to help you get a flawless complexion on all areas of your face. This award-winning starter kit features the original Beauty Blender, Beauty Blusher, Micro Mini, and a Mini Blender Cleanser Solid. Let's get started with the original Beauty Blender, which is perfect for applying foundation, BB creams, CC creams, and any other complexion product. Make sure your Beauty Blender is damp before applying any product. You can squeeze out any excess water on a towel before applying your makeup. Apply foundation onto the pointed side of the blender, then bounce the product on the face to achieve that smooth and even application. I know it's tricky sometimes to apply cream or powder blush without streaks, which is why Beauty Blusher saves the day for me. It's a medium-sized blender which fits perfectly on the apples of the cheeks. See how simple it is to apply blush now? And don't forget Micro Mini, our baby blender with laser focus on getting into those smaller areas to color correct, highlight, contour, and conceal. As you can see, we've now said goodbye to her redness, dark circles, and given her that chiseled look by applying a highlighter and contour. When you're done applying that perfect face, you can keep blenders clean with our Mini Blender Cleanser Solid. The cleanser helps maintain the integrity of our blenders for up to 3 months, at which point it's time to replenish your Beauty Blender. And there you have it, the 3 Beauty Blender products that will help get you started with your makeup routine, whether you're a makeup expert or a beauty newbie. Thanks everyone and happy blending!